What's up, YouTube? I'm over here with some bad news about my car. Come to find out, I haven't drove my car for a minute. Come to find out, I have a rod knock. So I gotta figure out what I gotta do. Rebuild the bottom end, or a new motor. Could be, even enjoy my intakes. Haven't drove it yet. Or I'm sorry, my downpipes and my front mount intakes. Haven't drove the car yet. Check engine light kept coming on. I thought it was my catalytic converter. Well, the check engine light was. So I thought this whole time the noise was my catalytic converter. Come to find out it's a rod knock. So comment on below what's the easiest thing to do or what can I do. All right, peace.